The new ghosts of Wall Street. Picture this. It's early morning in Lower Manhattan. Traders hustle past each other, eyes locked on screens, fingers hovering over keyboards. But hidden behind this frantic human theater is a force even faster, sharper, and utterly invisible: artificial intelligence. The AI isn't yelling across trading floors. It doesn't panic sell or high-five after a big win. Instead, it quietly reads billions of data points, makes split-second trades, and disappears before a human even blinks. These aren't science fiction robots from the future. They're here now, silently reshaping how wealth is built and who controls it. If you thought Wall Street was already dominated by hedge funds and big banks, think again. In 2025, the real power lies with the silent investors, algorithmic AIs that never sleep, never fear, and never forget. And by the time most retail investors even react to a trend, these AIs have already cashed out. Rise of the machine traders. Rewind just a few decades. The trading floor was chaos. Papers flying, phones ringing, brokers screaming. Fast forward to today, the real money moves in milliseconds, and human emotion has been replaced by cold, calculated code. These algorithmic trading systems started small, simple models executing high-frequency trades. But in 2025, they've evolved into complex AI networks analyzing social media sentiment, global news, political instability, and even satellite images of shipping containers. An AI might detect supply chain disruptions before a company issues a press release, and place trades accordingly. Imagine a bot seeing a hurricane forming in the Gulf of Mexico. Before a news anchor can even say oil price spike, the AI has already repositioned entire portfolios, profiting from what humans will realize hours or days later. This is no longer just fast trading. It's omnipresent surveillance, microsecond precision, and data-based intuition no human can match. The death of the gut feeling. Wall Street legends built empires on instinct. Warren Buffett's patience, George Soros's global macro predictions, Paul Tudor Jones's gut reads on market momentum. But gut feelings don't scale. They can't process 2 billion tweets a week or analyze live camera feeds from Chinese ports. AIs can. In 2025, these systems ingest everything: economic indicators, insider rumors, weather patterns, TikTok trends. While retail investors watch CNBC debating interest rates, the AI has already recalculated risk scores and quietly executed thousands of trades. Humans, no matter how sharp, become emotional. Fear, greed, doubt, these weaknesses are precisely why AI dominates. We're seeing a slow extinction of the hero trader narrative. The lone genius making a bold bet is being replaced by quiet algorithms that only care about probability curves and prediction accuracy. The shadow funds. You've heard of BlackRock, Vanguard, Bridgewater. But beneath these giants, a new breed of shadow funds is emerging: fully AI-managed hedge funds that operate with near-total autonomy. Some of these funds don't even have traditional portfolio managers. Instead, they have chief engineers and data scientists fine-tuning the AI models. These funds are ruthlessly efficient. They don't attend investor dinners or pitch decks. They simply deliver returns, fueled by self-evolving AI that rewrites its own strategies in real time. Retail investors. The new prey. While AI funds feast on volatility, retail investors, everyday people, often serve as the unwitting prey. Think about the meme stock surges of 2021 or crypto frenzies. Retail investors get excited by a headline, a viral tweet, or a YouTube hype video. Meanwhile, AI models detect this emotion-driven volume early and either ride the momentum or dump into it, extracting every possible penny. AI doesn't just respond to market moves, it predicts and shapes them. It sets traps, manipulates narratives, and then vanishes, leaving retail traders holding overpriced assets when the music stops. Ethics in the machine age. So what happens when algorithms hold this much power? Regulators are scrambling. Attempts to introduce circuit breakers and AI oversight panels feel laughably slow. By the time a new policy is debated, AI trading models have already evolved 10 times over. We face deep moral questions. Is it ethical to let machines dictate global asset prices? What happens when AIs deliberately manipulate sentiment to trigger panic sells or pump rallies? Who takes responsibility when an AI causes a flash crash that wipes out billions in minutes? For now, the answer is no one. The AI operates in black boxes. Even its creators sometimes can't fully explain why it made a certain trade. Accountability evaporates in the fog of code. The silent revolution. Despite all this, the AI takeover isn't a headline-grabbing revolution. There are no protests in Times Square or angry shareholders storming boardrooms. This is a silent revolution, one executed in data centers, server rooms, and cold storage vaults. By 2025, many global stock indices are effectively steered by a handful of large AI funds. Their decisions quietly ripple out, affecting pensions, mortgage rates, even grocery prices. Humans still feel like they're in control. Financial pundits still go on TV with charts and forecasts. But behind those graphics, AI models have already moved on to the next trade. It's a takeover so subtle most people won't realize it happened, until it's too late. The choice: merge or resist. We stand at a crossroad. One option is to merge with the machines, use AI tools, data dashboards, sentiment trackers, and advanced analytics to try to keep up. Many new generation investors are already forming hybrid approaches: human insight plus AI power. The other option is to resist. Focus on fundamentals, ethical investing, community-focused finance, and long-term visions that can't be modeled on an algorithmic spreadsheet. But let's be honest, resisting isn't easy. In 2025, the silent investors, the AIs, hold a decisive advantage. They aren't emotional. They don't sleep. They don't brag. They just compound. As an individual, you must choose. Do you ride this new wave or watch it wash you away? It's no longer about picking stocks. It's about picking a side in a war you may not have even realized started. Wall Street in 2025 isn't just men in suits or meme stock warriors. It's the quiet hum of supercomputers in underground bunkers, the cold logic of neural networks, and the unstoppable march of silent investors who rewrite the rules of wealth without saying a single word. So, what will you do? Adapt and learn to coexist with AI? Try to stay purely human and play the old game? Or disappear into financial irrelevance as machines take the throne? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, subscribe for more deep dives into how AI is transforming the hidden layers of our world. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay strategic, and remember, the future isn't coming. It's already here.